Master the names of 100 different vegetables in this video. Let's get started. Bitter gourd, ridge gourd, bottle gourd, snake gourd, sponge gourd, pointed gourd, spiny gourd, long beans, green beans, cluster beans, wind beans, kidney beans, lima beans, snap sugar peas, flat beans, soya beans, cabbage, drumstick, mushroom, beetroot, pumpkin, cucumber, green peas, eggplant, white brinjal, turkey berry, Thai eggplant, Brussels sprout, potato, carrots, tomato, cauliflower, broccoli, pink cauliflower, garlic, ginger, onion, shallots, yellow onion, white onion, bay leaf, bean sprout, radish, red radish, banana flower, horseradish, jicama, crozen, alluco, yacon, elephant foot yam, sweet potato, cassava, taro root, lotus root, wasabi root, turmeric, tamarind, maracuja, rutabaga, turnip, coriander leaves, zucchini, lettuce, asparagus, artichoke, cardoon, okra, bamboo shoot, plantain, bok choy, tindara, green chili, red chili, jalapeno, yellow chili, habanero pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, butternut squash, lemon, mint, endive, olive, parsnips, sugarcane, coconut, oyster mushroom, lemongrass, galongal, fiddlehead, tomatillo, amaranth, celery, leek, kohlrabi, fenugreek, spinach, purple yam. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.